In today's video, we're going to take a look at basic troubleshooting for pallet scales, which, by the way, are also commonly referred to as floor scales or platform scales. Pallet scales typically take a lot of wear and tear every single day. Some of it is expected and, well, some of it goes a little overboard. Of course, floor scale users are supposed to place or set pallets on the scale platform. However, in the real world, placing is usually somewhere between outright dropping and slamming. Also, in addition to the shock loading many floor scales take every day, the scales are frequently utilized in harsh environments such as outdoors in the elements, in metal recycling centers, inside food processing centers, and more. That's why it's important to have your platform scale checked periodically on a consistent schedule. A scale that's just slightly off can be costing you a lot of money. Be sure to contact our service department and ask about our service agreements that we offer. However, even with the best scale maintenance program, weighing equipment can fail between scale inspections. So, is there anything you can do to troubleshoot your floor scale? Actually, there are several steps you can take. If your floor scale isn't working correctly, unplug the power from the scale and then plug the power back in after a minute or so. This seems too simple, but you'd be surprised how often this works. If your platform scale is not displaying the correct weights, it could be something as simple as something is wedged under the scale platform, or the scale itself is shoved against the wall or frame. Or it could be something else like a damaged load cell foot or cut home run cable. We hope this floor scale troubleshooting advice has helped you. Some of these issues are things you can easily fix yourself. However, if you don't see anything obviously wrong with the scale, it's best to call our service department to set up a service call to repair a floor scale. The good news is, we typically stock the items you need to be back up and weighing in no time. We have replacement shear beam load cells in many of the capacities you may need. We also have summing boards that are used to connect all the load cell wires. And we have digital weight indicators and load cell cables that run from the digital weight display down to the platform scale. Visit centralcarolinascale.com to see a few of the floor scales that we sell and to find out about our floor scale repair and calibration services that we offer.